Alright, everybody, welcome to Meteor Tutorials. This tutorial is going to be about generating epics. So let's go to the backlog section where the epics are shown. Now again, as I've stated in a previous tutorial, if you're not really sure what epics are or what stories are, I would suggest doing some research on Scrum. These are really concepts of Scrum. I'll just give you a quick kind of like mental picture of what they are right now. Epics are like big buckets of things in a project you want to deliver. Like if I wanted to deliver a mobile application and a web application, you might make mobile app and web app, two different epics, and then all the work that needs to get done to create those two things are inside your mobile app epic or your web app epic. So that's kind of how you could think about it when you're thinking about epics. Now there are two ways to create epics. I'm going to show you the hard way first, and then I'll show you the easy way. So the hard way is I click this create epic button, and it gives me the opportunity to create an epic with a name. Really all you need is a name. In this instance we do need a mobile app, right? So maybe I'll create a mobile application epic, and quick description. So there we go, and then I click create, and there is my manually created epic. Now you might think that was actually kind of easy. Why is that the hard way? Well, let me quickly show you. Now you can edit your epic, right, by clicking that little pen icon, right? This little slider will come out. You can rename it, you can give it a different description. In this case I'm going to delete this because what I want to show you is, again, here's this AI button, and what we're going to do is we're going to have Tess create our epics for us. So we'll wait a second. There she is with the new epics. Now here's a list of epics and descriptions that we get to review, right? That she said, hey, these are the ones that I think you should have, right? Location optimization. This is probably pretty important. Sushi restaurant data. Yep. User interface. Great. These are awesome. I definitely want all of these, so I'm going to accept these. Now, if I didn't want, for instance, this, like some advanced engine for recommending restaurants, I might uncheck that. But I actually do kind of like that. I'm going to leave it in there. And then now, boom, now I have all those epics. I have those epics and those descriptions. It actually took me longer to explain to you what was happening than it really would have taken you to just click the button and generate review and then accept those epics. And that's kind of the key here, right? Is we don't want to spend time doing things. We want the AI to do them for us, and so here they are. Now you'll want to still review these. Again, AI results can vary. Sometimes it can give inaccurate responses, or for those of you who may know what like an AI hallucination is, all that stuff could possibly creep in. So the best suggestion is to let Tess generate all this stuff for you, and then just do a quick review, right? Make sure it is what you want. You can always edit and then rename or tweak whatever is generated for you. Now, last thing I'm going to show you here is, let's say these 5 are great. I really do like these epics, but there's more work to be done here, and I know that there's more work to be done here. So I say, okay, Tess, I want you to take into account these 5 epics that we have, and make me some more. Right, so I click generate again, and she's gonna make me some more. Right now, this is where you'll want to be a little bit more careful, because as much as we don't want the AI to give us copies, right, sometimes it does. So for instance, let's look through here. Is there anything? User interface, maybe? Sometimes she likes to redo those. Actually, it looks like these are all pretty good non-duplicated ones. Nope. Okay, great. All right, so we're going to accept all those too. I want all those. Now we have a ridiculously long list of epics. As some of you know, this is probably a little overkill on epics. Maybe not though, right? On complex projects, maybe not. But anyway, that is everything you need to know about creating your own epics, having Tess generate epics for you, and then, of course, having her generate even more epics for you.